Oh, Tony, we changed the day with Shepherd because of the little thing that didn't happen with Kareem. So it changed to today, 3 o'clock. And we are something white. Please don't be late. Alright?
I won't.
Yes, sir.
I need you to listen to what I have to say very carefully.
Yes, sir.
We're going to have to accelerate this situation. Can't hang around much longer.
Okay.
Yes, Kareem?
Tony and Moya open the shop and run up the morning session for me in a place.
So where you go?
Yeah, go on the road deal with something.
What's happening?
Your section of it,
Yeah?
I need to make certain it is tied down. The two vehicles and the drivers. The drivers must be trustworthy.
Yes, sir.
We need to ensure that we are covered on this. I cannot get a lead on where Andrew is. And when you don't see a man like him, that's when he's most dangerous. You don't know when he may pop up.
So you're not doing a lunch in the morning?
No, not evening because we don't have much order.
Alright, you have to up and reach home back like 2, because I have somewhere to go 3 o'clock.
You have somewhere to go?
Yes.
Somewhere to go?
True.
I need to ensure we have our behind covered going in. The 2 sleepers that we have used in the past, the lady that acts like she has a stall, and the gentleman who behaves like he's a street sweeper, we need them watching the road while the operation is going on.
Okay, sir.
Both of them need to be armed, but I don't necessarily want a gunfight at OK Corral.
Yes, sir.
I will arrange that the police station in the area respond as slowly as possible to give you more time to get in and get out.
Got you,
Any
sir.
questions?
Everything is crystal clear, sir. I just need to do my part of the job.
And let me know immediately as you have everything nailed down.
Yes, sir.
And the first sign of anyone sees anyone remotely looking like Andrew, I have to be told immediately, if not before.
Okay, sir. But, sir, suppose we can handle Andrew.
Supposition, there's no argument. I gave you a brief on Andrew. I don't want you trying to prove that you're better than he thinks he is. I will find a way to handle Andrew. You just do what he does.
Yes, sir.
On the road.
Mm-hmm.
Walk on the road.
On the road.
Alright.
Yes, Kareem.
We good?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Oh, God.
Kareem,
Tony,
where you go?
Nida,
Let me guess. Around a party you go not show.
yeah. Me da make you do me here.
Now you tell me say you not make party do back your ear. And me for do your ear. You hear me tell you some of the others woman in your head.
Alright, Tony, that's true. But you see, true, you're busy and you're up and down, and then me really don't want to stress you out. So I just say, you know, I make party for you. But by the way, right here, so you tell me say I know year so you live, but you in your uniform and like right here so you get dressed and thing and the second time, so what go on?